Welcome to our YouTube channel, Clipping Images. Let's start our lesson. First of all, open the Adobe Photoshop software. Clipping path and background removal are common tasks in graphic design and image editing, especially when working with product photos for e-commerce, including t-shirt images. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform t-shirt clipping path and background removal using Adobe Photoshop. Step 1. Open image in Adobe Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop. Open the image of the t-shirt that you want to edit. Step 2. Select the pen tool. Select the pen tool, shortcut, P, from the toolbar. This tool is commonly used for creating precise paths. Step 3. Create a clipping path. Zoom in on the t-shirt to get a closer view. Begin drawing a path around the t-shirt, keeping a slight distance from the edge. Click to create anchor points, and use curves for rounded areas. Step 4. Close the path. Once you've outlined the entire t-shirt, connect the last anchor point to the first one to close the path. Step 5. Refine the path. Adjust the path using the Direct Selection tool, shortcut A, to move anchor points or handles. Ensure that the path closely follows the contours of the t-shirt. Step 6. Create a selection. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Set the feather radius to 0 pixels and click OK. Step 7. Copy and paste. With the t-shirt selected, press Ctrl+C, Windows, or Command+C, Mac, to copy the selection. Create a new layer by clicking on the New Layer icon in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl+V, Windows, or Command+V, Mac, to paste the t-shirt onto the new layer. Step 8. Remove the background. Hide the original background layer. You should now see the t-shirt on a transparent background. If needed, add a new background layer or leave it transparent. Step 9. Save the image. Save the image in a format that supports transparency, such as PNG. Optional. Refine edges. If you notice any rough edges, use the eraser tool or layer masks to refine the edges. Final tips. Practice patience. Creating a precise clipping path may take some time, especially when dealing with intricate shapes. Save your work frequently. Photoshop files can be large, and it's wise to save your progress regularly. Remember that practice is key to mastering these techniques. Once you become familiar with the process, you'll be able to efficiently create clean and professional-looking t-shirt images. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks you for watching.